Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making mango Easter bun. I'm using mixed meal, raisins, brown sugar, all-purpose flour, nutmeg, melted butter, baking powder, browning salt, mixed spice, egg, and mango puree. I'm going to sift the dry ingredients: the flour, baking powder, salt, and mixed spice. Then I will add the nutmeg. I'll use a whisk to combine the nutmeg with the rest of the ingredients. In a separate bowl, add the egg, melted butter, and mango puree. Combine those thoroughly. Now it's time to add the sugar. Add the sugar, stir that in, and now I will add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. I'll use a wooden spoon to combine the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients. Combine those thoroughly. Then add the fruits. Combine the fruits with the rest of the ingredients. Then add the browning. Only 1 teaspoon of browning is needed. Then use a spatula to scrape the sides of the bowl to make sure that all of the mango gets incorporated. Once that's done, then it's time to pour into 2 8-inch loaf pans that have been greased and floured. Smooth over the top using a spatula, then knock the pan to get rid of excess bubbles. Add some fruits over the top. Bake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Now that the bun is done, use a knife to pull it away from the sides. Glaze the bun using honey, and now the bun has been sliced. It's good with cheese, it has no alcohol, and it's one way to use the overripe mangoes which you have in your cupboard. This video is dedicated to Beryl Alexander Baillie. It was created by her daughter, Dr. Baillie. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.